Hello everyone, this is Shirley from Echo Machinery. We are a manufacturer for rotary packing machines since 2000 a year. Today I'm here to share our fully automatic rotary packing production line with you. This packing line includes 4 parts: main machine MR8-200RH, winning machine, lifting machine, and working platform, which has a wide application in solid and granule, such as nuts, rice, chips, candy, coffee bean, and so on. Let's see the main machine firstly. This is our newest model. It is super convenient for packing pyramid pouch. No matter the side seal pouch, stand-up pouch, side spout pouch, zipper pouch, or any special shape pouch it is, all can find a suitable solution here. Depends on the specific product type. Machine can combine with different filling systems, and in order to meet different needs of customers, machine has 8 working stations with different functions, which can be customized. Now, I would like to introduce the arrangement of the 8 working stations. Firstly, the bag given station. According to the bag type, we have 2 types bag given diverse: horizontal type and vertical type. Generally, if the bag with a zipper or side spout, we will use this horizontal type. And if it's ordinary bag without zipper or spout, we will choose the vertical type. Both type of magazines can hold many bags. The second station is to print date and open zipper. Normally, we equip this carbon ribbon printer. It can be moved up and down to determine the location of the date and batch number. If the customer has more requests about the printing pattern, like a company logo and a code, we also have another high-level printer for your choices. In addition, if the bag with zipper, we will add this zipper diverse in this station. The maximum speed is 40 bags. This zipper diverse is independently developed by our own company with higher efficiency and stronger stability. The third station is for opening bag. It can open bag top and bottom at the same time. And here is a blowing diverse on the top to blow air into the bag and help it open completely. Then the support piece will assist the bag to move to next station, filling station. When bag arrive at this station, machine will give a signal to the multi-head wheel, and the material in the collecting hopper will go into the bag. As you can see, here is a sensor to check if the bag is open completely. No bag opening, no filling. Besides filling, the bag bottom vibration diverse can make the material distributed uniformly in the bag. Here is the fifth station, a pending station. According to the specific requirements of customers, it can be used for second filling, filling nitrogen, buffering, poking, or other functions. Next is the sixth station. If the bag has a zipper, we will install the closed zipper diverse here to lock the zipper. Otherwise, it can be regarded as another pending station, or heat sealing or air exhaustion. The last 2 stations are both for heat sealing, with stick pattern and a net pattern. Double sealing to make the exact pattern. No filling, no sealing. If the customer needs the cycle hole or Euro hole on the bag top, the heat sealing in last station can be replaced by hole punch diverse. After knowing the working process of 8 stations, you may ask, if one machine can only handle one bag type or size, what should you do if with many different bag sizes? Don't worry, you just need an easy operation. As long as you turn it gently, the distance between the machine clamps or the rotary table will increase or decrease until it's the same width as the target bag. Look clockwise, smaller, anti-clockwise, bigger. Only a few seconds you can finish it. finish the contents or functions, let's talk about the machine itself. Our frame process is one-piece mold, which is more stable and more durable. For safe use, machine is equipped with safety doors. When you open it during working, it will alarm and stop running. About the electrical fittings, we adopt the brands with high reputation and high quality, like Siemens, Festo, Omron, Schneider, and so on, to make machine faster and have longer work life. As for the winning system for solid and granule, multi-hand wheel is our usual choices because of its wide application. The material is evenly distributed into the hopper by wheel vibration, and the optimal combination will be selected for filling into the bag. More head quantity, more accurate and faster. About the lifting machine, the hopper is driven by the chains to lift. It's used for vertical feeding or grain and small block material. It has the advantage of large lifting quantity and highness. And for the working platform, we adopt high-quality stainless steel, and customize the height depends on every packing solution. Besides this solid packing line, we also have many models for another product and vacuum packing. If you have any interest, welcome to contact me. Thank you for watching.